Split screen or side by side on your Android smartphone can be helpful in so many ways for people that love to do more than one activity on your smartphone. Could be watching a YouTube video as you take some notes, or using WhatsApp as you read from a list. Let me show you in a few clicks. First of all, open the apps you want to split or have side by side. Alright, for this video, let's open YouTube and Chrome. With YouTube open, swipe or open to see recent apps. Then at the top here, long press and select split screen. Then locate and choose the other app. Clean and sweet. Now with your split screen done here, you can as well resize the open apps by dragging this middle bar up or down depending on your preference. When you drag down, you increase the size of the app at the top. When you drag to the top, you increase the size of the app at the bottom. And in case you want to switch positions of the open apps, say you want to have the app at the bottom go to the top and the one at the top to go to the bottom, just double tap the bar in the middle here and it's done. You can also flip the phone to landscape mode if you have auto rotate active, and you will have this nice wider view. And in case you close the split screen view, a swipe to view recent apps will show you the split screen view right here, which you can go back to. Also, to leave split screen view, drag down, which will switch to the app at the top, or drag up, which will switch to the app at the bottom. Simple as that. You may notice some apps don't support multi-screen due to developer issues or usability, so be aware of that. Like and subscribe if the video gave you some insight.